everyone, my name is Rubab Zehra, lecturer in English at Coastal College for Women, H82 Islamabad. I welcome you all here in this video in which we are going to do clause and its types. Remember the definition of clause, that is a group of words containing a subject and a verb, and it is the main part of a sentence. Now comes the real topic, the main task, that is types of clause. Okay, now there are three types as we discussed in the previous video: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Noun clause, the definition for three of them is almost the same. That is, that does the work of a noun, an adjective, and an adverb. Means the definition is the same. If you just look at the definition, it will provide you the almost the same structure, except the replacement of noun here, adjective there, and then again adverb there. So actually, in the form of clause, they perform as a noun. For example, I expect that I shall get a prize. Now remember, students, that the clauses will always be start with that, which, and then if we talk about adverb clause, it has a number of such relative structures, like for example, whoever, wherever, when, why, etc. Then comes another example: I fear that I shall fail. Remember another thing, there is a difference between adverb clause and a noun clause, and don't get confused with that. Why? Because expect and fear are almost like an inactive verb. Hope, guess, think, thought, etc. But in comparison, adverb clause will be containing the verbs that will be having an impact in the form of an addition to the verb, a qualification that qualifies a word, and moreover they will be a little bit more active as compared to the nouns, verbs used in the noun clause. Okay, now in the second type, that is adjective clause, the definition is the same as I told you, that does the work of an adjective. Now the examples are: I live in a house. Now remember, when anything basically defines a noun, it becomes automatically an adjective. So it's about the information is about the house. I live in a house that has marble flooring. So this is the specification, something that is adding to the meaning of a noun house. So it will become an adjective clause, and it is basically fulfilling the requirement, like here in the first, I is the subject, fall is the verb. Same goes here. As I told you, there's an exception in the adjective clauses, so it will contain it as a verb that contain marble flooring. She had a bag. Another example is which had a broken strap. So this clause will be started from here, and then it will be having a verb in the form of had or possession, and this is the example. Now comes the last part, that is adverb clause. Adverb clause does the work of an adverb. For example, they rested. Now rested is a verb. Anything defining the verb becomes adverb. Very nice. They rested when the evening came. When the evening came actually tells you the time. So it will be an adverb clause of time. So this is the first example. I hope you have understood it. But another example is you may sit. Now again, sit is a verb. This is a verb. So it is defining actually the adverb of place, wherever you like. And if you talk about clause, then it is the subject, it is the verb. Like you is the subject, like is the verb. And basically they are defining or elaborating or explaining more the noun, that is sit. You may sit wherever you like, but not in the class, because in the class most of the time we are supposed, that is the students, are supposed to sit where the teacher asks them to sit. Okay, this is it for kinds of clause. Inshallah, in the next video we will discuss the types of phrases. Till then, take care of yourself. But before going anywhere, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is English with Rubab. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.